In our business, great feedback is the best reward. When customers share the love, we can't help ourselves from sharing it with everyone else. We work hard to please our customers, and we're proud of the job we do. It's always great to be recognized, especially when customers take the time to send a review online, like this one. A happy customer that leaves a review like this online ends up being a repeat customer. And that's what motivates our staff and team to serve you better. We strive hard to achieve great reviews like this. It's inspiring. We take pride in our 5-star service rating. We're very loyal to our customers, and in return, we have incredibly loyal customers. See, and you'll be amazed. Simply call the number on your screen if we can help you. We look forward to serving you. Thanks for watching.